1958 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud I. Price: $9,750. Location: Oregon, USA. The 1958 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud I you're looking at today might just be the greatest luxury car bargain. Hiding in plain sight, sitting quietly after years of storage, this elegant British masterpiece represents a golden era when automobiles were built with unmatched craftsmanship, prestige, and attention to detail. At first glance, it may appear to be a restoration project, but to true collectors, this silver cloud is a rare opportunity waiting to be unlocked. The white exterior paired with a rich brown interior creates a timeless combination that immediately captures the spirit of 1950s luxury. Every line of the bodywork reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to elegance rather than excess. From the commanding front grille to the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, this automobile was designed to make a statement wherever it traveled, even parked. The silver cloud radiates sophistication that modern luxury cars often struggle to replicate. The cabin is where this classic truly shines. Step inside and you're transported back to an era when luxury meant handcrafted wood trim, spacious seating, and thoughtful details designed for comfort. The folding picnic tables remind us that this wasn't simply transportation, it was a rolling lounge for the world's elite. The comfortable bench seats, three-spoke steering wheel, and exquisite interior craftsmanship create an atmosphere that feels more like a private club than an automobile. Under the hood sits Rolls-Royce's legendary inline-six engine, paired with an automatic transmission that delivered effortless cruising performance in its day. Features such as power steering, dual SU carburetors, Smith's instrumentation, Lucas electrical components, and factory fog lamps demonstrate the advanced engineering that helped establish Rolls-Royce as one of the most respected automotive manufacturers in history. Every component was designed with refinement and longevity in mind. What makes this particular silver cloud even more intriguing is its California heritage. Blue plate California cars have long been sought after by collectors because of their connection to one of America's most iconic automotive cultures. Although this example has been stored for many years and currently does not run, its originality and completeness make it an excellent restoration candidate. Enthusiasts know that finding a largely intact Rolls-Royce project can often be more valuable than purchasing an already restored example. Imagine bringing this classic back to life. Picture the freshly polished chrome gleaming in the sunlight, the inline-six engine purring smoothly, and the Spirit of Ecstasy leading the way down scenic roads once again. A properly restored silver cloud. It doesn't just become a car, it becomes a rolling piece of automotive history that commands attention. At every car show, concours event, and classic vehicle gathering,